Closely following Wall Street, where stocks are down sharply in this last hour of trading. Take a look at that. We're almost at 775 down. Well, nearly 780, right? The U.S., there are worries that the U.S. could be headed for a recession. Right now, the Dow, NASDAQ, the S&P 500 indexes deeper into the red. The S&P 500 now has slipped back into what's known as bear market territory, which represents a 20% drop from the most recent high. I want to bring in NBC News senior business analyst Stephanie Ruhle, host of the 11th Hour on MSNBC, and so much more. Stephanie, it's always great to see you. A lot of focus on the big Fed meeting this week. What is that going to do, and why the importance of that meeting?
Well, listen, the big concern right now, Jose, is inflation. Obviously, prices very high, specifically gas prices. And are we possibly going into a recession? And the one tool that the government can use belongs with the Federal Reserve, raising interest rates. We're getting ready for a two-day meeting where the Fed is expected to raise rates 0.5 percentage point. Some are saying they'd like it to see it being 0.75 of a point. Now, here's where it matters, okay? If the Fed gets this thing right, then hopefully they can slow down the rate of inflation. But if they raise rates too much, too quickly, well, then that could push us actually into a recession. That means it becomes too expensive for businesses, for individuals to borrow. And we could start seeing them say, hold on, it's hard to operate my business in a time like this. But I want to remind our audience, we are in a very, very strong job market right now. And the financial woes that we're facing, the inflationary pressure, is not unique to the United States. It is happening around the world. We know we still have supply chain issues with so much still being shut down in China. And of course, because of the war, that's impact food prices, commodity prices, and gas prices. So this thing isn't ending in the near future, but it's not unique to the U.S. Talk to people in Canada, Mexico, the U.K. It's a problem around the world.
True, Stephanie, and I'm so glad you mentioned that because it is a global issue and the entire global community is affected by this. But Stephanie, and you know this more than most, the prices of the canasta básica, the basic foodstuffs that a family requires to live on, the prices of milk and eggs and chicken and almost the basic foodstuffs are through the roof. Gasoline continues to go higher and higher. It broke through that $5 a gallon. And then if you're talking diesel, which is required for all the transportation that we have in our country, it is. And I'm just thinking, Stephanie, I mean, is this something that is the new normal, you think?
It's the new normal, and it's a huge problem. The Biden administration refers to gas prices as the problem from hell. And I can rationalize with you all day long saying, hold on, it's a global issue. They're facing it around the world. But when you or I or anybody else is going to fill up that gas tank, I mean, Mark Zandi said compared to last year, it's costing families about $160 more a month to pay for gas. That's real money. But now the one thing to think about, even though it's costing us so much more money, we're not seeing people change their lifestyle so much, at least not yet. As we head into the summer, we're expecting a huge travel summer, people flying, people driving. Those things cost a lot of money, and we haven't seen many Americans cancel their plans, at least not yet.